Okay, now we're up to episode 3, and what I have done is bled the fuel lines at the injectors. So, let me get up in here. Okay, I went in here and bled fuel by backing these off, or loosening them, and cranking it over to get the air out. I noticed that these were a 5/8, and this had an 11/16 nut, so someone's done something. I thought it was interesting, these look like copper injector lines. So I thought that was kind of crazy. It looks like a Bosch type injector. I think I've got the adapter to do a compression test on it. Now the glow plugs, I don't know which switch is for that. If it's the momentary switch on the dash, but I'm not getting current there. So I've hooked a little jumper wire, and I'm just going to jump the glow plugs for a minute just to give it a little bit of preheat. Remember, this hasn't run in probably 7 or 8 years, but if God is willing and the fuel pump, injection pump works, it should fire. So let's hit the go button and see. Wow, we're just about there. Okay. I am leaking a little diesel fuel here. Guess I remember to tighten those with it. Okay, here we go. Okay, bingo. We had it running. I couldn't really check oil pressure. It appears, I thought maybe this belt was walking off, maybe not. Looks like I have to clean those up. But anyway, we have it running. I'll try and get it running a little bit better, check oil pressure, and do another video.